In ethics, values are our deeply held, or you can say core beliefs that are so dear to us that we won't allow them to move away from us. We will cling on to them. These values, they shape our thinking as well as our attitude and behavior. Do you understand that? Individuals may have different values, okay, or an individual may have more than one value. So all the values possessed by an individual is known as the value set. When we talk about values in ethics, we are talking about actually those standards to which we want to live up to. Like, say, for example, think of this: courage is valuable because we won't allow it to move away from us. We will cling on to it. Do you understand that? Again, think of wisdom or prudence. It has value in moral life. Do you understand that? Like money has value in economic life, wisdom has value in moral life. Do you get it? Or think of excellence of character. That's also valuable. So in ethics, values are our deeply held core beliefs, or they are our fundamental beliefs that shape not only our thinking but also our actions, attitudes and behaviors. You get it? What kind of attitude you will have towards something will depend upon, to a large extent, the values that you hold or the value set that you have. You get that? When you stick to your value set under all circumstances, it is said that you have integrity. You get that? Integrity is sticking to your value set under all circumstances, irrespective of the consequence or irrespective of the context. Do you get it? Now, human value is a subset of the bigger set, which is the value set. So think of this as the value set. And there could be like administrative values, there could be like media values, there could be values in sports, all those kind of values. One subset of it is human values. These include those values that make us human, or when we follow these values in our interaction, we ensure that dignity and rights of other human beings or fellow human beings is protected. Do you get it? So they are human values.